Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're showcasing how the objectives and the titles work when it comes to importing and adding new ones. Oops. I might have to redo some of the settings. Alright, so first things first, we're going to look into this. We're going to go over here to chapter titles. So it's in game data. We're going to go to chapter titles. We want to create a new instance. And so for us, we can create a new one pretty easily. So we can create objective _9. Alright? So we got 9 in there now. But we haven't imported it. So first things first, if you don't have the chapter titles already linked, you're going to want to go to Gorilla into your scenario file, go all the way down to where it says cutscene cameras, flags, and titles. For one, you're going to want to make sure that the title text is actually linked to a specific code list. So in this case, we're using Voy, but I've already edited it. So you're going to link that, and you can also add them in here or in game, of course. Now, in order to actually edit them, you have to download the actual string dump file. So it'll have the data, it'll have data, and it'll come with UI, and then it'll have all of these, and these are all parts that you can import, export, and whatnot. But so you would click on this, we open it up, so we have up to objective 8. So we're going to add a new one called objective _9 equals, and then whatever's in this equals is what it's going to say. So for this case, we're going to say enemy boss approaching. And we're going to save that. But now we have to actually import it into the game. So we're going to go back into our folders. We're going to go into the actual editing kit. We're going to do CMD for command. Then we're going to do tool, strings, and then if we actually go back to our data file to find out where that is, so we could technically just do strings like UI/chapter titles, and it should just work. So UI/chapter titles, and then that should import that. So now we would have a new one. So if we go up here, we can actually look at it. 13 new, so we have 13 total now. Alright, so in here we have our startup script, set the objective test. We're waiting a little bit, and then we're going to set it to objective 9. That's the custom one we made. It's going to show up to 9. It's going to debug that it showed it, and then it's going to wait a little bit. Then chapter start, that is a global script. You can look it up if you would like. Then we're going to set the cinematic title, or cinematic set title, title 1. That was also in the file if you noticed. Cinematic title to gameplay, and then we're going to debug that it worked. So we're going to save this, and we're going to go back into Sapien and try it out.
Commander, bring her down. Commander, bring her down.
Alright, so there's no errors. And now we're going to reset it. Alright, so it's got enemy boss approaching. The objective 9 worked. So then in about 30 seconds-ish, next one will, there it is. Set the chapter title as Kid's Sandbox. I hope this video helped you in making chapter titles and the objectives actually work in-game and in your scripts. I know it took me quite a bit to actually learn how to do it, so I wanted to give you guys that information. Pretty soon I'm going to be starting the Patreon, where I'm going to be giving you guys a week's early video. I'm going to have a week early edited, along with some screenshots of the process of me making the videos, along with models and assets that I've made along the time. You guys are going to see some short clips showcasing some of these models here and there, but I'm really looking forward to showing you guys what I've been working on. With that being said, thank you for watching. Peace out.